Alright, this video too, so we're back where we started after coming back from the spring house. I want to go run up here and up this hill a little ways. There's another historical marker. And this is right next to the Boy Scouts of America headquarters. It's right there where the flags are back there. And this is the slave cemetery. Here's the marker. It's of course back in the 1800s, before the Civil War, before the Emancipation Proclamation. And that was a reality in the South, or in the United States. And there's the cemetery there. We'll head back down. We'll see the rest. The rest of the trail. And if you work in Dowell Springs, you're not hitting these trails up. You guys are really missing out, because you're fixing to really see some up further up here, all the ponds. They got fish and ducks and everything. Nice cool breeze blowing today, even though it's June. It's probably like 80 or so. There's enough shade on the trail, you don't get burned up too much. Little sun's good. Get your vitamin D. So here's the first little pond here at the bottom. Sometimes there'll be a heron in there looking for a meal. Another little plaque here for the walking trail. Just across the street a little bit. Probably already hear the waterfall. Head on this.
With her having
another view of the waterfall over here. Plants. Here's another little pond. There's a bunch of little ponds all the way going up through here. There's zigzags, all the flowers. Yeah, this big pond has all the bluegill in it. There's ducks over here. I don't know what this one duck did over here. He's kind of sitting out here by himself. They're pretty used to everybody. Where's my bread? Keep going up, up, up. Nice hostas in bloom there. I'm gonna go all the way to the top. Almost there. And here's the top. Here's the last pond. Up here that feeds all this and it cycles back around. And that's it. Now head back down. Get back to work.